Hello, te assalamu alaikum, sone to sajno te mitro. I hope you're doing well. Ki hal chal hai tada? You're watching Madiha's Food Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you my very easy, simple recipe of chikar chole ya chane ya pindi chole ya whatever you'd like to call it. मैं क्या शबरात आ रही है ते क्यों ना भाई हर दिन साडा ईद होवे ते हर रात साड़ी शबरात होवे वाला चक्कर करिए ते मैं क्या तुहानू मैं बड़ी ही सौखी ते बड़ी आसान किस्म दी ना चने दी रेसिपी दसनी आ. दिस इज़ लाइक मेरी नानी तो चली आ रही है, माई मम्स फेवरेट रेसिपी. The key to this recipe is this particular masala that I'm showing you how to make. Ingredients are going to be listed below. थले देखना तानू सारी list लग जाओगी ingredients दी. ते it's very simple to make. Once you make this masala, this is for at least 2 to 2.5 times depending on the spice level you'd like to have. I normally use it about 2 times. This masala is sufficient enough for making your chane twice. Now what I've done is I've taken all the whole spices, सारे सबूते जेडे मसाले सन ओ ले ओ पैन च पाए. I'm just dry roasting them with a little bit pinch of salt. नमक की कम करेगा. नमक basically it will enhance the salt will enhance the flavor of these masalas when you'll grind it, and it is going to make it remain all fresh for a good long time. Like I mean, महीने आस्ते it's enough. For a month it remains perfectly fine after grinding. So I am just going to put them in my coffee grinder and give it a good whisk. I am going to grind it to relatively fine powder. Not too fine, but yeah, relatively fine. बहुत बारीक नहीं मैं करांगी, but yeah, इतना होएगा कि मुंह च ना आए साबुत साबुत मसाला. So all of it just going to get ground now. Once it's ground, then I'll add the powdered ingredient. I have taken mace, Javetri. I have taken Javetri in a powder form rather than having it as a whole because I didn't had it. मेरे को है ही नहीं सी तो मैं Javetri दा powder use किया rather than के मैं उदा whole इस्तेमाल कर दी, साबुत whole इस्तेमाल कर दी. But anyway, once it's ground, I am just going to jar it, put it in an airtight container and add the haldi, the turmeric, and the mace and a little bit of salt and just keep it in an airtight jar. Let the steam come out. If you don't let the steam get out of this masala at this stage because it's still warm, what will happen is there will be condensation and the masala will be ruined. The spice blend will be ruined because the aroma will just dilute and it won't be nice as it is now. So once giving it a good mix after the dried spices have gone in, the ground ones like turmeric and mace, it's ready to use now. So I've put it on a side. Next comes my terracotta pot. Meri handi aa gayi. This is what I normally use. I've got this handi, this terracotta pot from my local Asian shop, easily available in England, not a big problem. What I have started this chana masala with is I've got about half a cup of desi ghee or clarified butter, and into it I've got a small, very finely chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chilies. Green chilies depending on your taste. If you like it a bit more hot, add more. Stirring it around until it's slightly brown in color. I have added the black cardamom and the what you call it, cinnamon. Oh my god, I'm thinking in Punjabi and speaking in English. Anyway, and then the usual spices which will be written down in the description below. So जी मेरे प्याज हल्के हल्के ब्राउन होने लगे ने तो उधर मैं बाकी स्पाइसेस पा देते ने. लाल मिर्च गई है, हल्दी गई है, ते नाल गया थोड़ा जिना सुक्का धनिया, ground coriander, red chili and turmeric. That's what I've added. And now time for the masala. Once everything is all mixed up well, I am using about 1.5 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon ਭਰ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਸਾਲੇ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ground ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ. The one that we just made, that's what I am using now. Giving it a good mix, and as you can see there's no stove under it. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਹੈ ਆਗ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬਲਦੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ. What I've done is I've actually because this particular pot is not induction friendly, so I have to move between my stove and showing you onto the camera because I can't put my camera there next to my hob unfortunately, so I have to bring it next to the shelf where the camera is. So the next ingredient going in is my chickpeas, soaked chickpeas. These are overnight. I have soaked them in normal water. Give it a wash and soak it overnight. No tinned material. No tinned chickpeas inside. Please don't use that, that whatever. Whatever canned chickpeas. No, that's not appropriate for this particular recipe. Anyway, I've put that in, give it a good mix, and then I have added some water. Again, I have let it cook on the hob for about 30 odd minutes. Now, one thing I would like to mention is when I put the chickpeas in the pot, I have also added about half a teaspoon of soda bicarb or sodium bicarbonate, the baking soda. That is going to make look at the texture of this chana, the chickpea. It's just getting mashed easily. It will cook like butter. Trust me, it will cook like butter. In 30 minutes, your handi, your chickpea masala will be ready. The chikar chane will be ready. It will be all chikado chikadi, all proper muddy and gnarly and unctuous, whatever you'd like to call it. It will be really gooey and comforting. And I can show you the closer look. Look at that steam coming out, and it's all done within half an hour. Your chana masala, your chikar chole is all ready. Serve it with a puri or a patura or a halwa, whatever you like. You're watching Madiha's Food Odyssey. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Until next time, Rab Rakha and bye-bye.